and the entire plane shuts off while we're in the air. Like, I don't know what this means, but the pilot said that the pitch in the elevator broke. So we basically like couldn't go up and down. We were just gliding in the
What?
air after we took off. So I just remember like absolutely crying, like, oh my God, my first PJ ride and I'm gonna die. Like, I don't know why I ever agreed to this. Like, I should have just stayed commercial. Like, I love commercial. I love first class. And it was fine. We landed and we weren't able to fly private that day. So we had to wait the next night to fly private. And then after that, I was like, I'm never going to fly private again. Like, this shit sucks.